Hello boys and girls, this is Mohit Agarwal here, and this video I am making for all the CMA students. It's a very important video. Watch the video full till very last, okay? And do share the video with all the CMA students, because you might have given your exams smoothly, but there are your friends who might not have been able to attempt their exams smoothly because of some technical glitch from the system. And so do share this video with all the CMA students in the CMA fraternity. It can help even a few students, then they'll bless you. So as you know that our CCM beloved Papan Bhai is very committed, and all the CCMs, all the central council members are very committed, and they are looking into the issue. And I have been in personal touch with some of them, and they have assured me that re-examinations will take place, and they are very aggressively looking into the issue. Okay, and let me tell you regarding the re-examination now. So for the re-examination, only for those students who have suffered the technical glitches from the system end of the institute, not from their system end. The technical glitch was on the server side of the institute. The proctor has already submitted the report to the institute, and it is almost at the finalization level, or might have been finalized by now. Okay, so the report will contain the names of the student. That report is going to contain the names of the student who suffered the technical glitch from the institute side, server side. Their system was okay, but still they couldn't give the exam. In spite of their system being okay, they couldn't give the exam. I know few of my students that their system was absolutely okay, but they couldn't write the exam because of some of the technical glitch from the server side. So they will be getting the mail to appear for the re-examination maybe 2-3 days later itself. So the main point is that the students who know that they are going to get email because they have done nothing wrong, and it was not their system fault, it was a server fault. So they should immediately start preparing for the re-examination of that paper in which they couldn't appear. Now this facility cannot be misused by anyone who just voluntarily opted out. No, the report will be there. It will contain the name of the student who suffered the technical glitch. Only that student will be getting the mail and opportunity to appear for the re-examination, which can happen anytime now, anytime. So start preparing. However, if the report, now listen to me, if the report, I'm going to give you 2-3 mail IDs. If the report does not contain your name, although you suffered technical glitch, although the proctor with whom you communicated certified and told you yes that it's a server side issue, but still if the report does not contain your name, or you do not get email but your friends get email regarding the re-examination but you don't get email, then you should immediately mail. Or I would prefer that you should mail now itself. Okay, there are 3 email IDs that I am giving you. The first one is exam.helpdesk. Look, I'm going to write it down for you. Wait, I'll write it down for you. I'll give it in the description box. Okay, I'll write it down in the description box. I'm telling you the 3 email IDs now. exam.helpdesk@icmai.in. The second one, exam.dd2@icmai.in. Third one, exam.director@icmai.in. Okay, so these are the 3 mail IDs. You should mail to all these 3 email IDs if you have suffered a technical glitch, and your proctor also confirmed that yes, there was a technical glitch from the server side, not from your system side. Okay, and you want to appear for the re-examination, so you should mail immediately. Okay, so this is it. Do share the video with all, and I hope the CMA fraternity will be benefiting from this video. And guys, subscribe to kar hi liya hoga bhai. If not, press the subscribe button, and not only subscribe, also bell icon, okay, so that you don't miss any of the notifications. Chalo, take care. Quality content will always be there for CMA student exclusively on this channel. Okay, and many new videos are also going to come. And last mein jate jate, let me tell you, the carnival offer for CMA students is going to end on Saturday. So today and tomorrow are the 2 last dates of the carnival offer. Make the most of it, because you are going to get 1 year validity by just paying 9 months cost, and that too at 40-45% discount it is. Okay, take care, all the best.